Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be doing our IPSY ICON box unboxing for the month of May 2023. So if you want to know what we got in our little icon box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Of course, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the box. I'm so happy that I got it delivered to my front door. What? Oh my god, I love that. I wish they could do that every single month. Usually they just drop off my box at my mailbox and I have to get it from there. But today I was actually at the gym, and when I got home, the little box was in my front door. So I don't know if I like that or not. I think I like that. But it just kind of scares me because I feel like somebody can snatch my box out of my front door. So yeah, I don't know. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and break into it. So I just opened it. This is what the icon box looks like. It's so cute. It's super pink. I don't want to drop it. So guys, we are going to go ahead and just start pulling. So this item was actually one of my add-ons, and it was like $3.50, I think it was. And I needed a little headband, so whenever, ooh, all the little fuzzy stuff is everywhere, but it is nice and stretchy. Oh yeah, so I needed this little headband because whenever I'm like washing my face or doing my skincare, my hair, because I have a lot of hair, it just goes down. So I just want something to pull or slick my hair back. And I thought this one was so super cute. How cute is she? With a little moñito, chonguito on it. It is so cute with a little bow. Super cute. Yeah, so this one was one of my add-ons. It was $3.50. I'm glad I got it in this box because last month they forgot to put my add-on in my box. Anyways, I got that problem resolved, so I thought I should update you guys. All right, guys. So first item in the box is going to be from Glow Recipe, and this is the Guava Vitamin C. And it's a bright eye gel cream. I love the packaging. It's so cute. I'm actually running out of my retinol eye cream. It's like the little avocado melt. Where is it? I know I got it in here somewhere. But anyways, oh, it's over there. I can't reach it. But anyways, I'm running out of my Glow Recipe avocado retinol eye situation. It's a little cream as well. And I'm glad that I got this one. I believe this one is kind of fairly new. It hasn't been out that long. I remember when it launched at Sephora. So yeah, I'm so excited to have it in my little skincare. It's gonna look so cute. So I will definitely be putting this to use, and I'm sure that it smells really, really good. All right, we also do got another item, another Glow Recipe item. This one, I have used it before in the past, and this one's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. We love this product. I love this product. I've used it before in the past, and I just love how refreshing it makes my skin feel. You do kind of want to shake it, though. Again, the packaging is so freaking cute. It has a super fine mist, and when you spray it, let me add some. Oh, the smell of fresh watermelon. It kind of smells like a agua fresca. It's like a refreshing water. Watermelon water that we make. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, look how hydrated the face looks. It kind of gave me like a little glow. I really needed it. The face was a little bit too dry. I love it. I feel like this box is amazing this month. I love my picks. I love my random picks that they picked out. I love my Boost product. Like, I feel like this box is amazing. So, yeah, guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box. Next up, we have the Kate Somerville. And this one is going to be their Dry Skin Saver. Yes, full-size products. Love that. For a fraction of the price. I'm so excited to get into it. This is what this one looks like. I want to open it. It does have like the little safety seal, but I am going to open it because I am going to be putting it to use. I just want to see how thick the texture of the cream is. This one is a moisturizer if you have very dry skin. My hands are even dry themselves. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some on. Oh my God, it feels so good. Really nice and buttery. It gave my hand a little glow. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, do you guys see the difference? Look how crusty and rough the skin looks on this one. Oh my God. Oh yes, that feels so good, yummy and delicious on the skin. Oh, I feel like my skin just literally absorbed it all. I am so excited for that moisturizer. Yes, give me some more. All right, then up next, what I got on my icon box, it's gonna be from Ren. I've heard of this brand, but I've never actually tried it. So this is the Ren Glow and Protect Serum. So it's gonna give you like a really nice glow. I think I'm gonna be using this in the night. I'm gonna add it as my nighttime routine. I currently am using a serum from Innisfree, the green tea one, and I really like it. So this is what this one looks like. And it's like a yellow. Let's just pump it. Who am I kidding? I want to try it out. Okay. Do I pump? Okay, there it is. So this is the texture. It's kind of thick, but it's not watery or runny. I mean, it is running a little, but it's like a good texture. And it's supposed to give you a really nice glow serum. Ooh, the hands are looking nice and hydrated and glowy. I love that. Feels good. I'm excited to use it on the face. Love that. I love how it has a great mixture of like skincare and beauty products. But my favorite, you guys know that I'm a sucker. I am a makeup junkie. I have a problem. All right, let's get all the skincare stuff out of the way. This one here is coming from Ollie Hendrickson. I love this cream. I would sell this so much working at Sephora. So this one's the Strength Trainer. It's the Peptide Booster Cream. And this one's also a moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. I love Ollie Hendrickson products just in general. I really feel like his line is amazing. All of his products work amazing. I love the little, what color was it? It was an orange one. It was like for the under eye and it had vitamin C on it. Like, I love those products. So here's this one. It's another moisturizer that I absolutely love, and I will definitely be putting this to use as well. I have so many moisturizers to go through, but I will get to them eventually. Then up next, oh, this one's for the hair. Okay, so this one was one of my choice items, and this one is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Anti-Frizz Air Dry Balm. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried this brand. I never even heard of it. I don't even know where it's sold. Let's see. It smells so good. Okay, so it's an anti-frizz balm. I do have a lot of frizz. I don't really blow dry my hair, but I do have a lot of frizz. My hair is naturally frizzy. Let's rub some of that balm in the hands. It smells good. I'm digging the smell. Okay, I will be putting that to use as well. Or maybe I'll just apply it once I'm letting my hair air dry. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, yes, love, love, love. I love me some hair care products, of course. Did it tame down? I feel like I did tame down some of the frizz that I had. So it's a really nice hair balm, and it smells good. I really like it. Oh my god, I'm excited for my items, guys. You guys have no idea. There's so much of this to go around. All right, guys, now onto the makeup products. So we also do have the Alamar Cosmetics, and these are little like eyeshadow brushes. I saw that it has like a little blending brush, has like a little packing brush, and then it has like a little, oh, the little blending brush is so cute and fluffy. Let me see the bristles. We got to see the bristles because we want to see if it's going to blend nicely or not. Let me see. Oh, Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Oh, it's really nice and soft. And you can diffuse the shade. Let me just blend out the rest of my eyeshadow. Oh my god, I love it. The bristles feel really nice. And then this one's more like a little packer brush, so you could pack the color onto the eyelid like that. And then we also do have a little detail brush or like a flat brush, and you can definitely add color to like your lower eyelash line like this. Oh, yes, I needed one of these. I don't know what happened to mine, but I don't have any color in my lower eyelash line, but I love these. These are so pretty, and I feel like you can never go wrong with brushes because I forget to wash mine and they're so dirty. So yes, you can never have you can never have so many brushes in your collection, in my opinion. All right, guys. Then up next, we also do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. So mine is in the shade dark brown, and guys, I have a new technique for the brows. Look at this. I'm trying to do like I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone with the dip brow. And I'm starting to do like a natural looking eyebrow look. I don't know if you guys could tell, but look, they look a little bushy, a little grungy, a little like laminated. So yeah, guys, I'm excited that I got this product. Let me get it on out of the box. It's kind of like really stuck in there. And I feel like with this product, you can definitely create like a little hair-like strokes. So it does have the little triangle tip in the front. Oh my god, my hands are dirty because I had a pen explode on my hand. So that's what that is. It's ink. I already washed it off, but it just won't come off. But anyways, this is what this one looks like that. And you can definitely create like some hair-like strokes on the eyebrow. Oh, I don't think, okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. So you can just like feather out the eyebrow, kind of like that, to give it this look. So yes, I will definitely be putting this item to use. And they got the shade right for sure. And it does have like the little spoolie at the end. Yes, love it. Okay, and then lastly, my next item is going to be from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. This is the Magic Touch Concealer in the shade number 4. I don't remember what the shade looks like off the top of my head, but hopefully it's a good one. Ta-da! This is what it is. It's supposed to be a brightening skin finish like concealer. And let's see. Okay. Ooh, it might be a little bit too light. Actually, it's not, because it's going to be for the under eyes. So yes, I do want it brighter. So here it is. Oh my god, it looks like almost like pale white against my skin. But my face is lighter than the rest of my skin. And I feel like it's very comparable to my other concealer that I'm currently using, which is this one from e.l.f. The e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And it is fairly white, light. Let me dab some right here, so I can kind of compare. I feel like I can still pull it off. Let's see, let's see. Okay, so this is the ABH, and this is my e.l.f. concealer that I'm currently using. And let's see what they look like against each other. Oh, okay. Yes, I think it'll work. They're pretty similar, not the same. I feel like this one has a little bit more of like a neutral undertone. This one's a little bit more yellowish because I do have yellow undertones. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hands are like kind of yellowish sometimes because that's what my undertone is. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I love my box. My icon box was amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box. And stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm also going to be doing a try-on. Stay tuned for that video. That video should be coming up next. We're going to be trying out all the products in our icon box. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Hope to see you guys on the next one.